Good morning, guys. I decided that I'm gonna do a little vlog for today. And I thought that today would be fun to vlog because I have some things going on and yeah, I thought it would be fun. Oh my. A spider of some random species just jumped on me. I was just gonna explain my plans for today, but that little spider wanted to ruin it. That definitely was venomous. They say the more colorful something is, the more venomous it is, right? Anyways. Hey guys, I'm back. I won't be going to Crumble today or meeting with my friend, but I did want to go out anyway. Get ready a little bit and then from there we'll figure out what we want to do. Oh, I was just on Instagram and somebody posted a recipe for like a lemon blueberry bread. So maybe I'll make that because I kind of want it. So I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. So I finished my makeup and I was gonna do my hair, but I can't find the mousse that I was gonna use, so we're just gonna leave it like this, and then it's probably gonna get frizzy, but yeah, that's what's happening right now. All right, guys, I'm in the car now. I'm sorry. I had to go with the jean short and sweatshirt option. I don't know why, I just couldn't find any cute shirts. But I actually have most of the stuff for the lemon blueberry loaves, but I'm still gonna go out anyways because I want to. So I want to go to this little store that I've been to only one time. I didn't get anything from it, but I want to see if they have any. It's like a little baking place, and I want to see if there's anything useful there. I really feel like a professional right now. This is okay. What is the point of a tripod if I have to hold the phone up myself? Hold up. I'm gonna fix this. Does that work? If I drive, you cannot move, okay? Okay, there we go. Wait. Okay, I'm gonna catch you guys when I get to the store because I can't do this right now. I just finished my trip to Walmart. I got what I needed. I actually forgot a few things, but it's not that important. It's fine. I'm gonna go. I'll be back because clearly my tripod doesn't want to work, so. I didn't get anything from there because I didn't see what I saw last time, which was like over a year ago. But that candle that I smelled in there was the best thing I've ever smelled in my life. All right, guys, unfortunately, I didn't really find anything, but it was really nice to walk around. Next time I come, I'm not gonna wear something like this. I'm gonna go home and then we're gonna start our baking together. Oh my gosh. Hey guys, I'm in the car again because it turns out the blueberries that I had at my house were bad. So now I have to go get them, but it's all good, it's all good. Okay guys, hi. This is all really, oh wait, hold on. This is all very hectic, but I deleted the first thing of me. Like I already made the flour portion of this, but it was all really hectic, so I had to leave to buy blueberries because my blueberries went bad. I'm gonna put on some music. We're gonna make this together, okay? It doesn't even taste like.
It's so good. And you can kind of.
I just finished editing this video. It was really fun, so I will make more. And if you want the recipe, I'll put it in the description. And yeah, thanks for watching.